Percentage, or percent in short, is a fraction. It is not just an ordinary fraction, but a special fraction. As we know, a fraction is written as one number over another. The number on top is the numerator, and the number below is the denominator. What makes a percentage special is the number below that is always 100, no matter what the top number would be. The prefix per means for each or for every. The root word cent is a Latin word for 100. In other words, percent means per hundred. As we said earlier, a percentage is a special fraction where the denominator is always 100. Instead of writing 100, we use the symbol to show the percentage. Let's look at some examples. 24% means 24 over 100. 57% is the same as 57 over 100. And 91% is the same as 91 over 100. How about 0%? Is it possible to have 0%? The answer is yes. 0% only means 0 over 100. We call this the zero fraction because the value is 0. It is okay to have 0 as the number on top, but never write 0 as the number below. What about 100%? Well, it simply means 100 over 100. We call this a whole fraction. When the top and the bottom numbers are the same, the value is equal to 1, or 1 whole. How about numbers more than 100? Can we have 125%? Absolutely yes. It is just the same as 125 over 100. We call this an improper fraction where the value is more than 1. In the same manner, we can convert a fraction to a percentage. Look at these examples. Since a percentage is a special fraction where the denominator is always 100, we don't need to write 100. Instead, we use this symbol called the percent sign. 36 over 100 is just the same as 36%. Do the same with 27 over 100. Change the bottom number to a percent sign and copy the top number 27. This makes 27%. Therefore, 51 over 100 is just 51%. Isn't that easy? But how do you convert a fraction to a percentage if the bottom number is not 100 or any powers of 10? 2 over 5, for example. Remember earlier we said percent is a special fraction with a denominator of 100. How do we turn 5 to 100? That's right. We multiply by 20. Do the same with the top number 2. Multiply by 20, we get 40. 40 over 100 is just 40%. Let's try another one. 11 over 20. In percentage, the bottom number should be always 100. We can turn 20 to 100 by multiplying by 5. And do the same with the top number 11. 11 times 5 is 55. 55 over 100 is just 55%. How about improper fractions like 7 over 4? Well, do the same process. Change the bottom number to 100 by multiplying 4 with 25. 7 must also be multiplied by 25. We get 175 over 100 or 175%. But how do you convert a fraction with a denominator that is not a factor of 100 or any powers of 10? Just like 2 over 9. In this example, 9 is not a factor of 100. what should you do? In this case, instead of changing 9 into 100, we multiply the fraction by 100. Since 100 is a whole number, converting it to a fraction comes with 1 as the denominator. We now have a product of 200 over 9. This is the same as 200 divided by 9. The fraction line that goes between the numbers in a fraction means divide. Dividing 200 by 9, the quotient is roughly around 22.2 or 22.2%. This time, let's try converting decimals to percentages. See this example, 0.28. To change this decimal number to a percentage, simply multiply the decimal number by 100. But multiplying numbers with powers of 10 such as 100 is so easy. There is no need to do long multiplication. And since 100 consists of 2 zeros, simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right. This way. If the decimal point is to the right of the digit in the ones place, this can be expressed as a whole number. And add the percentage sign. So 0.28 is 28%. 0.53, for example, just move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. We now have 53%. The decimal number 1.25, moving 2 places to the right and add the percent symbol. We now have 125%. We can easily convert a percentage back to a decimal number. See this example, 23%. 23% can be expressed as 23 over 100. It simply means 23 divided by 100. We could say that to change a percentage to a decimal number, we only divide the number by 100. Dividing a number by 100 does not require a long division process. We only need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. But where can you find the decimal points? 23 is a whole number, which means the decimal point is right behind the digit in the ones place, right here. Remember, 23.0 is the same as 23. We move 2 decimal places to the left. You may or may not add 0 as a placeholder. 23% is just the same as 0.23. Here is another example, 115%. Locate the decimal point, which is right behind the digit in the ones place. That's behind 5. Then, move 2 places to the left. So 115% is equals to 1.15. But what about if the number is a single-digit number, like 7%? Since we need to move 2 places to the left, and 7 is a single-digit number, we need 1 more digit as a placeholder. And the only digit we can use is 0. But why 0? Why not any other digit? This is because 0 takes the place but does not change the value of the number. Just like 1 is the same as 01. 2 is the same as 02. So 7 is the same as 07. And 7% in decimal is 0.07. This time, let's try to answer the guide questions. You can always pause this video if you need more time. Here's the first one. What percentage is the same as 1/2? Number 2, which of these is equivalent to 3/4? Number 3, how do you change 105 over 100 into a decimal number? Number 4, which of these has the least value? And number 5, Which of these has the greatest value? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. Feel free to browse other interesting lessons on this channel. This would be all for now. Stay safe, everyone, and have fun learning.